I love seeing all of you here. Tibetans, Uyghurs, Taiwanese, Hong Kongers, everyone, all standing here together in solidarity, urging for one simple thing: freedom. My message to my Tibetan brothers and sisters: Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Let me hear that. Let me say that again loud and clear. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Number two, my Uyghurs brothers and sisters, my message to you is free the Uyghurs. Stay strong and keep asking the Chinese Communist Party, where is my father? Where is my mother? Where are my brothers and sisters? And where is my family? China is committing genocide and crimes against humanity in your own land because you are Uyghur. Do not stop until every single one of you have your freedom and self-determination. Freedom for East Turkestan. Number three, my brothers and sisters from Hong Kong, my message to you is free Hong Kong. You are not Chinese and you are not British. You are Hong Kongers. So stay strong and stay brave, please. My brothers and sisters from Taiwan, my message to you is keep Taiwan free. The future of Taiwan will be determined by the Taiwanese people, and Taiwan is already independent, and I believe the country will be free and democratic forever, and I stand with Taiwan. My brothers and sisters, no one can stop us if we work together. That is the most important thing. That's the key word, together. Change is coming, and there is no way stopping it. And lastly, I want to say, one for all for one. Thank you.